How to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. After that, at the top in the search box, simply type MT5 demo account. Once you do, simply go to the official website of MetaTrader 5. After that, at the top left corner, in the tab you will see Web Terminal. Simply click on it. Now from this prompt, provide your details. Then at the bottom left, click on Demo. Once you do, click on OK. Provide your email. Agree with the terms and condition and click on Next. After that, as you can see, you have simply created a demo account on MT5. You can simply practice here now. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.